Have you ever wanted to sing in choir but were afraid you weren't good enough or were unable to make the commitment of having midweek rehearsals? We've made some exciting changes to the choir program so that you can participate. There are two ways you can do that. You can sing with us on Sunday mornings for rehearsal from 9:45 to 10:45 and then sing for worship, or you can join us for special events with rehearsals being 4 or 5 weeks beforehand on a Saturday or a Sunday. Here's what our current members are saying.
I'm Sue Klotz, and I've been in the St. Mark Senior Choir for about 29 years now.
I'm Diana Sundermeyer, and I've been in St. Mark's Choir for 38 years.
Hi, I'm Bob Johnson, and I've been in choir for almost 2 years now.
I'm Carol Lennox, and I have been in St. Mark's Choir for about 16 years.
My name is Gordon Digby. I've been in choir for roughly 15 years.
Hi, I'm Debbie Bruns, and I've been in St. Mark's Senior Choir for quite a number of years, probably since the early 80s. Choir has really drawn me closer to Christ in many ways.
To me, music, and especially singing, is a form of worship all its own. It gives my soul wings. It really does.
I believe choir has brought me closer to Christ because in learning the music, I've learned a lot about the Bible.
Choir has definitely drawn me closer to Christ. Everybody goes through different journeys with their faith. And for me, I was on a positive journey in my faith, but I would say it grew exponentially once I joined the choir.
I don't have any formal background as far as music goes. I did take piano lessons as a kid, but that's all long gone.
My musical background is zero.
As far as musical background goes, when I was in high school, I played the drums. When I was in grade school, I played 2 years of the violin. They wouldn't allow that anymore. I do know sort of how to read music, but I don't really. I found out that it's a little more difficult, but I found there's a lot of people here to help me through things that I didn't understand.
I really don't have much of a musical background. I was actually in the St. Mark's Choir of David back in the early 70s, and 2 years in high school choir. I'm not quite sure that constitutes a strong musical background.
We have all different types of talents. Some are more amateur, some are more skilled at it than others. But it's the sum of the group of us singing together that makes the sound that we produce. And we have lots of practice. We're all willing to help each other get to the final product. So we would love to have you.
I most enjoy being in choir with friends, with new people. It's fun to make new friends, and singing the music.
If someone would ask me about joining choir, I'd say, please, come sing with us. All are welcome in choir.
Oh, come and have some fun with us. It's amazing. It really is a second family.
A lot of people are scared to just come in and try because they don't think they have the ability. The reality is we're all a bunch of people just like them who like to sing, who maybe aren't professional or aren't perfect, but we enjoy the time together. Come and give it a try.
Come join us and sing with us. We have a wonderful time. We learn new things all of the time. We learn how our music is connected to the readings of the church. And we learn to trust one another and to support one another and to love one another.
Come sing with us. You won't regret it.